Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my Christmas food recipes. This is chicken pepper soup with potato. This recipe is so delicious and it's good for the Nigerian Harmattan weather because of the cold, and the pepper soup is usually eaten when it's hot. So get your live chicken and slaughter it, or you can use frozen chicken or even turkey for this recipe. So after slaughtering the chicken, the next thing is to clean it very well, focus on the feet, remove the skin from the feet, and then go ahead and cut it into your desired size. If you want it big, cut it big. If you want it small, then chop it small. So here is my chicken properly washed. Now I transfer it into the pot for this nice pepper soup recipe. I love pepper soup because it's so spicy and I love spicy food. I went on to add a little bit of salt and some chicken seasoning, and of course, as you can see, I have pepper here, I have onions, I have ginger. Remember, ginger is spicy. I have this long chili because it has this nice aroma, but it's not as spicy as the Scotch bonnet. So I'm going to blend everything with some water, but before then, let us go ahead and add the nice pepper soup spice. This is Uda. It's a native pepper soup spice. You can roast it or just blend it like that before adding into your pepper soup. So it's nice. It gives that native pepper soup smell, that pepper soup aroma that makes you want to consume a whole bowl of pepper soup. Now we're going to blend it very smooth as your blender can go. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and pour everything into the chicken that I've seasoned. This other pepper refused to blend. I don't know what happened, but I went to add it like that because it will still release its flavor into the pepper soup. So rinse the blender, make sure you stir everything, because in Nigerian kitchen we always stir. We like turning our food. We cannot cook without stirring the food. I don't know why. So I'm just going to make sure everything goes into the stock and let it cook for some minutes. Let's go ahead and pre-cook it. Remember, I've not added the pepper soup spice like the other one I will show you in the other video, so stay tuned, watch to the end so that you don't miss a step in this recipe. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes now. The meat is almost done, but not fully done. This is the right time to add the potato. Remember, you can use plantain instead of potato. You can use yam for this recipe as well, but I love the potato because I just love potato, and potato come in handy, so I went ahead to use it. Now I'm using this ready-made pepper soup spices. I bought it from the store. You can just check any African store or any supermarket and ask for pepper soup powder. They will give you any brand available. So here I added the potato. I already sliced it, I already peeled it and washed it very well, and I added a little amount of water because I noticed the water that I used to cook the chicken had already gone down. So our pepper soup is already coming together. The aroma from this thing is mind-blowing. It's nose blinding, whatever they call it. I love the aroma, and oh my god, it just makes me want to eat everything. So we're going to give it some time for the potato to be fully cooked. The pepper soup is almost ready. It tastes amazing. If you want to add salt to yours, you can taste it at this stage and check whether it is properly seasoned. Okay, now it is ready. Oh my god, can you see the color? Can you see the potato is already done? Once the fork goes through it and it breaks, as you can see in the video, then it's ready. Yes, it's fully done. Time to serve. Oh, pepper soup can be served in Nigerian party, African party, any party, get together, child dedication, wedding party, any African wedding party. People serve pepper soup. We have chicken pepper soup, we have turkey pepper soup, we have beef, cow meat pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup, even catfish pepper soup. There are various varieties of pepper soup, and this is how we cook it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So on this channel I share amazing Nigerian food recipe, Christmas food recipe, African dishes, African food recipes, Nigerian street food, African street food, healthy drink for weight loss, cucumber mukbang, fufu and okra mukbang, fufu and egusi mukbang, jollof rice, various type of jollof rice. Thank you for watching.